Ooh, this is a really good question. Does Rovo MCP support assets? I believe it does now. Yes, it does now, but I believe it's limited. So just a few months ago, it didn't. It does now, but it's a little bit more limited in terms of what it could do and what it can pull. It can pull the context of these assets as of today. Taking action on them is, I would not recommend, even if it can do it, because it's not very good in Jira, which means it's not going to be very good or good at all inside of assets directly. So I'd give it another year or so, maybe half a year at least, before you're really trying to rely on this long term. Otherwise, it's going to make a lot of mistakes. For example, Rovo has a really, really hard time creating parent child relationships in Jira. So if you try to create like an epic task and a subtask with one prompt, usually Rovo will just fumble it and not be able to do it. So my concern is that if you're trying to create, modify, manage assets with Rovo, it's probably going to get something wrong there. But pulling context and information, definitely try it out. You're not going to hurt anyone by doing that, and it might save you some time. Hey, real quick. Every company has goals, and every company has tools like Jira, but almost every company is missing the middle. This is a system that connects your goals to the work your team actually does every single day. And without it, you end up chasing updates, sitting through status meetings, and wondering where projects actually stand. We call this missing middle the execution layer. And I recorded a free 90-second breakdown that shows you how the grid operating system fixes this missing middle. Links in the description below, and back to the video.